Tugasmu hari ini kalian presentasi PowerPoint tentang contrastive connector, ya. Mem kan sudah yang lalu-lalu, sekarang kalian yang presentasi. Sudah siap PowerPoint-nya?
Belum, Mem.
Nah, siapa yang sudah? Siapa yang sudah? Belum ada? Oke, nah silakan ditutup video. Oke, siswa sekalian, Kezia sudah punya PowerPoint. Nanti dikirimnya ke WA group. Nah, siswa yang di rumah silakan share. Oke ya. Nah, di sini pun bisa nanti kita buka di WA di sini. Oke.
Good morning, my friend. We from Group 6. We will start our presentation about contrast connectors. Before I start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Johans. This is Kezia. Another is Joshua Purba, Bobby Jordan, Gilbert Octavianus, and Naomi Indriani.
Okay, we are learning about contrast connector, and please pay your attention to this slide video. Thank you.
Bobby, the first, although she loved him, she still wants to break up with him. 2. Second, she loved him nevertheless, she still wants to break up with him. Third, in spite of loving him, she still wants to break up with him.
Okay, that's right.
1. Although you bought her an expensive gift, Tiara still haven't forgive you. 2. You bought her an expensive gift, however, Tiara still haven't forgive you. 3. Despite buying an expensive gift, Tiara still haven't forgive you.
Okay, first, even though I have a girlfriend, I just can't stop thinking about that girl. Second, I have a girlfriend, however, I can't stop thinking about that girl. And the last, despite having a girlfriend, I just can't stop thinking about that girl.
1. Though the meal was spicy. 1. Though the meat was spicy, it was really delicious. 2. The meal was spicy, however, it was really delicious. 3. Despite spicy, it was really delicious.
Okay,
Good morning, friend.